I kept finding tiny black balls all over my clothes and I couldn't figure out where they were coming from. We would wash everything and a few days later we'd see them again. Then one day I ran into the wood studs and realized it was termite poop falling on my clothes. That was the last straw and it was time to move out. So we've been working on giving the closet in the room next door a makeover, and originally we thought about just hanging a rod, adding a door, and calling it a day, which would have been quick and easy, but after all the work we've put in to rebuild this room, we need to make the closet beautiful and with as much storage as possible. Now we'll have shelves for shoes, drawers for folded clothes, a rod for hangers, and top storage for winter clothes. After assembling the structure, the next step was to build out the front face, which we painted to match the rest of the room, and there were a lot of pieces. I still don't know how John is able to keep track of it all, and it's crazy. I used to hate working on the house because it felt so unfair and unlucky, but now I just see it as something I get to do with my favorite person in the world. Once it was all installed, I had to fill all the nail holes and cracks. If there's one thing this house has taught me, it's just when you think you're done with something, there's always more to do. But we're so close to having a beautiful closet. All we have left to do is sand, repaint, build some doors, and our clothes will finally have a permanent home.